6. Given A is equal to 8, AN equal to 62, SN equal to 210, find N and D. So listen, AN and SN is given. So SN equal to, here first term and last term is given. So use the formula n by 2 into first term plus last term. So Sn is given, Sn equal to 210, that is equal to n by 2, n that is we don't know, A is 8, An is 62. So 210 equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62, 8 plus 62 is 70. So here 2 and 70 can be cancelled. So this is 35n. So 210 equal to 35n or n equal to 210 by 35. 210 by 35 gives 6. Okay. So n equal to 6. Now we want to find common difference. So use the formula an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 62, that is given. A is 8, n is 6. So 6 minus 1 into d. So 62 equal to 8 plus 6d minus d or 5d. Now take this 8 to here. So 62 minus 8 equal to 5d or 5d is equal to 54. So what is d? D is equal to 54 by 5. 7. Given first term equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, then find number of terms and last term or nth term. So here Sn is given, so we have to write Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because first term and common difference is given. Now replace all the values. So Sn 90 equal to n by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 8. So this gives 90 equal to n by 2 into 4 plus, open the bracket, n into 8, 80n, minus 1 into 8, minus 8. So this is n by 2 into 80n, listen, 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Now take this by 2 to left side. So by 2 becomes into 2. 90 into 2, 180. 180 equal to n into 80n minus 4 or 180 equal to, open the bracket, n into 80n, 80n square, n into minus 4, minus 4n, or this is equal to 80n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. Now we can consider this equation as 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0, because all the term carries 4 as a common factor. So after cancelling 4, we get 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in n. Now solve the equation either by factorization method or by middle term splitting method or by quadratic formula. Here I am using middle term splitting method. So the middle term can be written as minus 10n plus 9n. Okay. Now associate these two terms and take the common factor. So 2n is common, so take it outside, remaining n minus 5. From these two terms, 9 is common, so n minus 5 equal to 0. So this is equal to n minus 5 into 9 plus 2n, which is equal to 0. Now equate each factor to 0. So n minus 5 equal to 0 implies n equal to 5. 2n plus 9 equal to 0 implies 2n equal to 9 or n equal to 9 by 2. Here n equal to 9 by 2 is a fraction, so it is not possible to consider. So n equal to 5. N means number of terms equal to 5. Okay. Now we want to find nth term. So nth term is obtained by a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 2, n is 5, d is 8. So 2 plus 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32. 32 plus 2 gives 34. So nth term is equal to 34. Okay. Question number 8. an equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14. These are given. We want to find n and a. n means number of terms. A is first term. So an is given. So what is the formula for an? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Listen, here nth term is obtained by a plus n minus 1 into d. Put an equal to 4, d is equal to 2. So the equation becomes 4 equal to a plus, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2 to left side. So 6 equal to a plus 2n. From here we can write a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Put it as equation number 1. Okay. Now Sn is given. Sn. So write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into. Here last term is given. So use first term plus last term formula. Then replace Sn equal to minus 14 equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An is 4. Take this by 2 to left side. So by 2 becomes into 2. Minus 14 into 2 minus 28 equal to n into a plus 4. Okay. Here replace a is equal to 6 minus 2n from equation 1. So this becomes minus 28 equal to n into a means 6 minus 2n plus 4. Now this reduces to n into 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 2n. Now open the bracket. Minus 28 equal to n into 10 10n. N into minus 2n minus 2n square. Now take all these terms to left side. So minus 2n square becomes 2n square plus 10n becomes minus 10n. Then minus 28 equal to 0. Here we can divide throughout by 2. So this is same as n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in n. Here the coefficient of n square is 1. So we can use factorization method. Select any two numbers whose product is minus 14 and sum is minus 5. Listen, here the numbers are 7 and 2. Here product is negative sign. So both the numbers having positive and negative, and give negative sign to the larger one, largest number. So that the numbers are minus 7 and 2. So listen children, this quadratic equation can be written as n minus 7 into n plus 2 equal to 0. Now equate each factor to 0. N minus 7 equal to 0 implies n equal to 7. N plus 2 equal to 0 implies n equal to minus 2. Here n equal to minus 2 is not possible because it is a negative number. So n equal to 7. N means number of terms equal to 7. That is our one of the question. Find n. So n equal to 7. Now we want to find a. So in equation 1 put n equal to 7. So this becomes a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. That is 6 minus 14. That is minus 8. A is equal to minus 8. So first term is minus 8. Number of terms equal to 7. Okay. So we use both the formula an and Sn. From the formula an we reduce a equation in terms of a and put the value of a in equation 2. Okay. Then we can see that there is a quadratic equation in n. Then by factorization method find the factors. And from here we got the value of n equal to 7. Question number 9. Given a is equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192, find d. So here first term and common difference. That two terms are there. So use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values here. S, that is 192, n 8 by 2 into 2 into a is 3 plus n is 8. So 8 minus 1, that is 7 into d. Here 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 into 6 plus 7d equal to 192. Now take this 4 to left side. 192 by 4 equal to 6 plus 7d. 192 by 4 is 48. 48 into 4 gives 192 equal to 6 plus 7d, or 7d equal to 48 minus 6, that is 42. So what is d? D is equal to 42 by 7, that is 6. So common difference equal to 6. Last sub question. L equal to 28, S equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. So here last term is given. We want to find first term. So use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. See here last term is given. Last term is 28. Sum is given. Sum equal to 144. There are total 9 terms, means n equal to 9, and we want to find the first term A. So Sn, here n equal to 9, therefore S9 is given. S9 equal to 9 by 2 into A plus A is not given, plus L. L is 28. S9, that is sum is given 144 equal to 9 by 2 into A plus 28. Take this 9 by 2 to left side. So 9 by 2 becomes 2 by 9. 144 into 2 by 9 equal to A plus 28. Okay. Now this can be written as, we can cancel 144 and 9. 16 into 2 equal to A plus 28. 16 into 2, 32. So 32 equal to A plus 28, or A is equal to, take this plus 28 to left side. So 32 minus 28 gives 4. So A is equal to 4. That is first term equal to 4. Okay. So that is our first set of questions. So practice well all the problems. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.